This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, it is April 6, 2019, Saturday morning. I gotta go a couple of times over and do a no heat call on an oil burner. Well, they said they got oil in the tank. And I'm on my way over there. Saturday. I got another one to do after this too. People got no heat, no hot water. I mean,
4.5 miles. Turn right on Grand Island Road.
I'd rather not work on the weekend unless I have to, but look like I got much choice here, Mama. Ain't got much choice here, Mama. I like your new outfit, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today. Yeah, you're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Anyway, once I get there, I'll try to get you some shots. I think I'm running out of protective release in the truck here. I've been using a lot of them lately. I don't know if I have any more. Hopefully it's not that. New customer for me, so it's probably never been cleaned in 20 years type of thing, you know? We'll see. Well, she said it's an old system, so that's not a good sign. It's a rental. Lady kind of was speaking in broken English. I don't know where. She's some kind of foreigner or something. Portuguese or something. I'm not sure. You want to drive? You love driving. Yeah, you love driving.
Had it serviced like it was 2012, 13.
Wow, it's a real old one. So does it spin? Does the motor spin?
I don't know. Like I came down this morning.
How long's it been since it's been cleaned?
I don't know.
10?
I don't know. There's a tag here that says 13.
Yeah, we'll put a nozzle on it. We'll see if it fires. I mean, this is a scary bitch, huh? Can't touch the oil line because it's right in the concrete. I mean, that's bad.
We'll put the line eats it away, right?
Yeah, we'll put a new nozzle in it and see if it fires. It's probably all it is. Get you going, but he needs a new unit. Things
yeah,
leaking.
They said that this morning. When I talked to them, they said what they wanted to do is just get me heat and hot water, and they're
yeah, it's just. It's a boiler. It's not a furnace.
Yeah.
A boiler has water in it. A furnace blows hot air. That's the difference. Okay. See if we can get you going.
Yeah, that was the thing. I'm like, all right, we're coming up on warm weather, but the thing is, this also supplies my you need me to move anything, I'll move it.
As long as I can get in here and do my job. Try a nozzle. That's a Wayne.
It leaks water, you know.
That's a Wayne burner. What a beast, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, when I had bought my house in Pennsylvania, a buddy of mine, he was a boiler maker and did heating and air in his family's heating business. And he's told me, he says, rule of thumb is, he says, if you can't get your arm around the furnace, he says it needs replaced. He said,
is that his thing?
That was his thing, because I had bought a house and I told him, I said, yeah, they're putting in, I said, I put in a closure of, Mrs. Nicolosi is Italian, I think? I'm trying to remember, her kids sent her away this year. In fact, they bought her like a Christmas present or whatever.
Sent her away to where?
Old country.
Wow, look at that. Everything's just. I got the power off. nozzles down inside here that spits the oil out.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if we can change it.
Jack, I'm gonna lock you in here.
Yeah, I don't want to get bit by the dog. Wow, this thing hasn't been apart in a long time.
17, 18 years old.
Wow, this thing's all stripped. Who the hell did that? Can't even get it off. Wow, it's all stripped, guy.
We've been here a year.
Holy
In
shit.
January. And this is the first time we've had a problem with the furnace. I knew it wasn't new. I knew it was an old one, and I figured it needed replaced.
Let's see what this nozzle looks like when I pull it out. I mean, it's probably not going to be pretty.
I thought maybe it was like an igniter thing or something.
It might be.
And so I went and I grabbed my flashlight.
You said he was getting oil flow out of it?
Yeah. He opened up this right here, this little bleeder valve this morning.
I'm not touching the oil line because see how it's all...
Yeah, no, I'm saying right here. He had opened this one.
He needs... I can't touch that oil line because it needs to be upgraded.
Right. But yeah, see, he opened this bleeder up right here.
Yeah, and he got a good flow?
Yeah. There was like no spitting or anything. Kind of remind, you know, when he breathe, I kind of looked at it as like when I bleed brake lines on my car. You know, that's the way I judged it. And it was just straight oil that came out.
So he tried to, he's kind of a fix-it guy type of thing?
He figured that there was no oil getting to it, is what he figured. So he came out and then he opened up the bleeder, you know, hit the reset. And
We'll put a new nozzle and see if it fires.
but I didn't.
This is a 80.
I tried it once this morning, hitting the reset, and then I read where it said with the indicator light on that little gray box there. And it
Yeah,
said
you don't
that-
want to hit it too many
so,
times. I mean, once.
I didn't do it again, you know. So then I just called him and was like, I don't have heat, man.
Yeah, let's use the...
He checked to see if it was, you know, if there was oil in the system or whatever.
Yeah, you don't want to spend a lot on this thing. I mean, it needs to go. It's leaking all over the place, and just get you by for now, right?
Yeah, that's what his mom said. His mom's actually the owner of the house. But she's an older lady, you know. And
We'll try it and see if it fires. Hopefully it does. The other one was stripped. I had to take it off with pliers. That's bad. Let's see if it fires up. Oh, I think we got a problem with the spark. Yeah, bad transformer. Yeah, that's what it is, no spark. Let's see if I got one of these in the truck. I might. Side hinge. No, it's a back hinge. I think that's a wane. It's for a wane burner. Yeah, this one here's for a wane burner. This is the one, I think, right here. Yeah, this is the one. I got it. Been sitting in the truck for a long time. There's the one. Wane. Alright, so I got it changed. I put the old CAD cell back on there and just the black and the neutral. I'll put this back together and she should fire.
aerial lift now.
It's a little tight here. No really place to put this camera.
I mean, just hold it. Is
You
it
know how to do
recording?
it? Yeah, just don't put your finger in the middle because
Yeah, right on that controls where you are there, right?
yeah. Put that back together. She should fire now. Should fire right up. Yeah, this is, so obviously I can't touch the oil line.
Yep.
But on something like this, it's not worth running a new oil line to it.
Right.
Just change the sucker.
Right. Like I said, they told me this morning they're going to put a new furnace in, so.
It's a boiler.
Boiler, yeah.
Furnace blows hot air, a boiler has water in it.
It's kind of funny. You said that 2 or 3 times already, and at work we'll have customers that'll say my pine tree and it's a spruce tree, and we'll go, it's a spruce tree.
Well, yeah, a lot of people say, oh, my furnace isn't working. They don't know the difference.
Right.
And, you know, it's understandable.
The thing is, I know it's a boiler. It's just, I call it a furnace. I don't know why.
If it's got water in it, it's a boiler.
Boiler, yeah.
Put this jet tube back together. And she'll fire right up. We got a new nozzle in it. Should I talk to the son about the oil line? I mean, because the mothers didn't seem to. Here we go. Let's see over here.
I don't know. Like the mother will. I think like I call him when something needs to be fixed.
Yeah, at least they get you by for now over the weekend, but yeah, man, it's gotta go. It was a new one. It's just been bouncing around in the truck, and I don't really use these that much. It's got some pump wine to it too. Yeah, that's pump wine. That's probably a partially blocked oil line, but it's running.
Oh yeah,
At least. Alright, so new nozzle, new jet tube, and a new transformer. I had to change the jet tube because I couldn't even get it off. I had to take it off with pliers. I mean, this thing's a beast. That's 10-inch.
What are they now?
That's a big boiler. It's only a 1-inch supply. See that 1-inch supply? You only can get I think 60,000 BTUs out of that 1-inch supply. So you could go with a little 3-4 section gas, so oil, a little 3-section oil in here would blow them away.
Oh yeah.
But why is it up on a block so high like that? Does it get flooded?
I have no idea. I know, like I said, like when my sub pump didn't work that one time last spring.
It's a 1-inch.
I had about this much water.
Oh, okay. That's why it was.
That's why I'm building all those pallets up. I'm gonna build up the floor. There's another.
Oh, look at it. It's right in the flipping. Talk about old. God oil. Oh, look at that. I mean, that thing is. Where's the oil line?
I don't know.
Wow, that's scary. Yeah, that's not protected.
It's on the back side.
Look at the oil lines down in there, right in the concrete. I mean, you can't. I wouldn't even touch that. She's gonna change this thing. I'm gonna call her, tell her. Because this falls under the homeowner's insurance.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, like I said, if it leaks, the homeowner insurance.
Yeah, homeowner insurance.
I can't touch that oil line. I wouldn't touch it. Because then I'm responsible, right?
Right. Yeah, just like when I go in and do somebody's electrical work. I'm the last person in the electrical panel, the one that...
Alright guys, I just left that job. I showed you what that oil line looked like in that tank. I wouldn't touch anything to do with the oil as far as the filter or anything to do with the pump. You know, I would probably change the pump. I changed the jet tube on that because that doesn't really affect anything else. But if she had a problem with the oil flow, I wouldn't touch that thing with a 10-foot pole. That's a tenant over there. I gotta call the landlord. I tried to call her, tell her about the situation that she's gonna change the tank and the boiler. Just get them by for now, over the weekend or whatever, and something needs to be done over there. We still be able to take a shower. But yeah, you've seen that oil line and under the ground like that in that tank. I mean, I wouldn't touch it. It's liability.
Turn left on Fairhaven Road.
In my state, the oil leakage falls under the homeowner's insurance. I can't even buy insurance for that, so it has to be upgraded. Really needs to be upgraded.
Turn left on Fairhaven Road.
I can go over there and change a nozzle on the thing and, you know, put a transformer on it. I mean, I'm not touching the oil line, so